Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and today's workout. My name is Paul and as always I take you through today's workout. Today's workout is a simple 10-minute plank hold. It's not a continuous hold, it's 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest, 10 different exercises guys. Join me on the floor right here in about 5 seconds. Alright guys, welcome back. We'll get started in about 15 seconds. The first exercise is just a regular plank hold. So we're going to alternate between a regular plank hold and some kind of an exercise in the plank position. So now let's get started in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and give me a plank hold for 45 seconds. The trick to doing these guys is to really tighten up your glutes, tighten up your core, keep everything tight all the way throughout, tighten your quads so it'll really help, and just kind of hold it, and then at the same time try to relax if that's even possible. We got a little bit, let's see, we got 25 seconds left. The clock is right in front of my face, so you're gonna see me constantly turning around looking at it. We have 20 seconds left. Just hold it with me, nice and easy. Relax, breathe in and breathe out. This is almost a warm-up. That's what we're kind of calling this, right? We have 10 seconds left, guys, so just hold it for 10 more seconds, and then we're gonna be done with exercise number 1. 4 seconds, here's 3, 2, 1, and relax. From here we are going to get down the same plank position because that's the theme of today's workout, and we're going to do hip raises. So whatever it is, however many there are in 45 seconds. Let's get going in 3, 2, 1, and give me a hip raise and down. Up, down. Nice and easy. We're not rushing here. This is not a hip workout. I want constant tension on that core. Keep moving. We got 30 seconds left. Perfect. Keep going. About 15 seconds left. We probably have 10 more repetitions. Less than 10. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right. From here, back to the top, sort of. Back to a regular plank hold in 10 seconds. 2 down, 8 to go. Here we go in 5 seconds. Ready? Regular plank, guys. 3, 2, 1, and hold it. Nice and easy. Keep everything tight, however. And just relax and breathe in nice deep breaths. About 30 seconds left on this one. And just hold it with me. Keep everything tight. 20 seconds left. Relax. Keep it going. Keep it going. I'm starting to shake a little bit. If you're shaking a little bit, that's okay. 10 seconds left, guys, and now we're into single digits. We got this now. Stay with me. Hold it. Hold it. 3 seconds. 2, 1, and chill. All right, guys. Exercise number 4 coming up. Get the heart rates moving a little bit. We're going to mountain climbers. So straight arm plank this time, and we're going to go into some controlled mountain climbers. Once again, not a hit workout. 2, 1, and let's go. Keep it going. 30 seconds left. Keep it up. Keep it up. 10 seconds, guys. Keep at it. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Shake those arms out a little bit. Get those shoulders moving. Blood's flowing. We're feeling good. Next exercise, straight arm plank hold. Same position we were just in for the mountain climbers. Just gonna hold a straight arm hold. And let's go, 45 seconds. These are all variations of a plank. Plank does not have to be down on your elbows. This works the shoulders, works the chest, keeping you in this position, so keep it up. We got 20 seconds left. I should probably straighten up a little bit since I felt like I'm starting to sag. That's not because I'm 50. Keep it up, guys. We got 10 seconds left. Come on. Little less. Little less. This is exercise number 5. We're halfway done. We can see the finish line. We're almost there, guys. All right, that was a straight arm plank hold. That was actually plank hold. I'm losing my mind. Did I miss an exercise? No, I didn't. All right. Plank hold, back down the elbows, guys. I am confused. On the elbows. Let's go. And hold it with me. Yes, I did mess this up actually. That's okay, we'll make up for it at the end. Not a problem. I believe we messed, I can't blame you for this, but I did miss a plank hold in this position in between the mountain climbers and the straight arm plank hold. That's okay, we'll just keep on going right through. We'll just finish off in this position instead of finishing up with an exercise. My bad, and I apologize. Either way, we're working the core. Either way, we're working the planks. Keep it going. Got a little less than 10 seconds left. All the way to the end. And that's it, all right. Same thing, guys. Plank position, we're gonna bring the knees to the outside this time around, all right? Here comes exercise number 7. And 3, 2, 1, hold it and bring the knees out. And out. All the way as far as high up as they can go. Stay with me. Stay controlled. "20 seconds left. Nice. Five seconds. We got it now. 2, 1, and relax. All right, I'm gonna remind myself, going back to a regular plank hold. I don't want to skip another one. We have 3 minutes left. We're almost done. We're doing great. All right, plank hold, guys. 2, 1, and let's go. And hold it. 45 seconds. We're almost done. We have 2.5 minutes of working out left. Minus the breaks. We got this now. It's in the bag. Stay with me. Less than 30 seconds left. Relax. Hold it. Hold it. Keep everything tight. Work that core, guys. Time under tension. This exercises are all about tension. We got about 10 seconds left. Stay here. Five, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. All right, guys. Straight arm once again. Now we're gonna take your knee and bring it across to the opposite arm, all right? Same thing, guys, plank position. 3, 2, 1. Stay here and bring your knee all the way across. All the way across your body, as far as it goes. Perfect. Keep working. Keep working. Less than 30 seconds left. I'm feeling it. Are you feeling it? Let's go. Come on, 10 seconds left. Bring it in. 5, 3, 2, and 1. All right, since I screwed up at the middle of this exercise, we're gonna finish up on a regular plank hold. Finishing up just where we started. Let's get going. 5 seconds. I'm tired. I got breathing kind of heavy after this one. 2, 1, and let's go. And let's hold it. Give me the best plank of the day. Nice and tight. Hold it tight. This is it. We have just over 30 seconds left. Nice. Keep it up. Keep it right here. Keep it right here. 20 seconds left, guys. That's it. Nice and easy breaths. Slow that heart rate down a little bit. Relax. We got this. Stay right here. Stay with me. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Boom, and we are done. Welcome back, guys. We're back and we are done. Thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. I want to catch my breath a little bit. All right, once again, thanks for joining me at Fit After 50, guys. My name is Paul. As always, I take you through these workouts every Monday and every Thursday. Today's workout was a 10-minute plank hold workout. I'll see you guys during your next workout, and I hope you had a good time. I'll see you later. Bye.